This is a quick little instructional video so that you can make and design your own infinity flipper. This particular infinity flipper ends up being cross-shaped in the centre, and I've called it a fiddle toy because I didn't know what it was called when I designed this. Now in the template that you can download, there's actually two designs to make two flippers. So one is the antibody and two is the genetic one at the bottom here. So you have an A and a B. And then if I turn it over, it corresponds to the pictures on the back. So you can download the template and edit it, add your own pictures on the front and the back. And once you've done that, you're going to need to print it off. Now it will work on paper, but it is better to do something a little bit thicker if you can. This is about 170 GSM, so it's not quite like thick card, but it's definitely thicker than paper, and it just makes it a little bit more sturdy. So I'm just going to make the top design here, which is the antibody picture design, and you'll see that we've got a square from 1, 2, 3 and 4 laid out. So I'm going to pre-fold everything first and then lay it out into this square. So once all the rectangles have been cut out, there are little dotted lines, and we're going to fold down those dotted lines backwards like this so that they can stand up. So now I've folded them, I'm going to lay them out into this square orientation. So we've got 1, 2, 3 and 4 boxes, and they correspond to the numbers on the other sheet. So 1 to 1, 4 to 4, 2 to 2, 3 to 3. And I quite literally glue those tabs and then stick them over the top like this and try and line them up. It is important to try and keep it as square as possible, so you want the pictures to match up as closely as you possibly can. So I'm going to put glue on those corners. I've used blue glue so that you can see where I'm putting it nice and easily. So I'm making sure to line them all up and make sure that everything's square, and then I'm just pushing them down. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Once it's dried, then we just want to refold those creases to make sure it's going to be nice and easy to move the infinity flipper. And you're there. You're free to flip away.